Another day, another story. 10. Begin blogging. You've most likely come across a business blog at some point in your life. Blogs are used by businesses to offer knowledge and insights, grow an audience, and generate more leads and revenue. Blogging has numerous advantages, including as establishing thought leadership in an area and increasing a brand's search engine presence. Blogging for a living has evolved beyond small companies and side hustles. Anyone can now grow an audience and make a lot of money from their blog by putting out quality material. Bloggers, as opposed to acquiring information from a company blog, use a more personal approach that resonates with an intended audience. People establish blogs for a variety of reasons, including an outlet for them to express their ideas, passions, or life experiences, a platform to educate readers on a topic they are familiar with, a channel to promote products or services, a place to develop one's personal brand. While blogging is a low-cost business venture, it can take a while to pay off. You are unlikely to appear on Google's first page of search results overnight. However, with the correct niche and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to making money online through your blog. Time to launch: a few hours. Make an effort to begin, medium to begin with, but will require significant effort to sustain. Time till the first payment. Depending on how you plan to monetize your blog. What you should know. It may take a lot of trial and error, as well as time, for you to start seeing the revenue you desire. You should study SEO and how to monetize a blog. Requirements. A blog. A topic about which you want to write. 11. Affiliate marketing. So, how does affiliate marketing pay? Publishers or individuals can essentially apply for affiliate programs wherever they are offered in order to be added as an official affiliate. Once accepted, you'll be given a chance to share an affiliate link to the product or service you want to promote. Remember to include a disclaimer. If someone purchases the product after clicking your link, you'll get credit for the referral as well as a commission. The amount of the compensation varies on the affiliate program and the goods being sold. Commodity items on Amazon.com won't pay out much, while referring a high-ticket account could pay out hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Because affiliate marketing works best when you help a visitor understand why a particular product would be a good fit for them, you'll frequently see it used on content-focused websites. Search engine optimization is particularly vital here, with everyone from small, local businesses to large, worldwide recognized media fighting for terms like Best Gaming Laptops 2022. Time to launch: a few hours. Startup effort: medium. Time to first payment: this varies according to the performance of your affiliate marketing initiatives. What you should know: affiliate marketing growth can be irregular at first, but if you persist with it and perfect your techniques, it can turn into a tremendous source of passive income. The most critical aspect of affiliate marketing is to establish trust with your audience. The FTC and most reputable affiliate programs require disclaimers. Requirements. As an affiliate, you should have a website or social media presence where you can advertise things. Website traffic or a social media following.